was cool.
Woo!
Encore!
Whoa. Mom, try to keep it under 10 minutes.
Keep moving, people! Ooh, here goes a box. It's called a Jack in the Box. Oh, watch out, this one screams. This one's
Screamer?
Yeah.
Oh boy.
Watch it start to scream. Aren't you supposed to turn it off? No.
You said I was supposed to scream. Last year I remembered having a room.
That was a different one. Those are the other ones.
Shut up. No, it comes down different.
Dang, man.
There it is.
There's the scream.
That's the scream right there.
That's the Christmas.
No. Liar.
Everybody's turning because they know we're doing it.
Oh, this is one with the quarters and holes.
Does anybody notice I'm recording?
I am too.
Oh, look at all the colors.
Color, pretty color. Woo!
Saturday.
Are you zooming in on them?
Hannah.
Yes.
I can't see.
Are you putting that on YouTube?
Yeah.
I want to do these two, which is the same as these.
What is that? So is it little, are they little ones or what?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. I would want to do this one, but I know you're not going to let me.
Don't show people.
Take those out of the...
Yeah, see, I have a pack of those little ones that I want to light off, and I have this.
My God, it's muggy out.
You're unbelievable.
Dinosaur! Did we already light that? No.
Lightning! Is that thunder?
No, that's the Westland Fireworks finale.
You can see Westland Fireworks from here.
Yeah.
See, I'm doing some of those too. I have a box, except I think they're
See
taller.
Westland's fireworks coming home?
Yeah. They're all over there. You can see them every once in a while.
Yeah, you can see them once in a while. We used to be
The
able to see them.
finale you will definitely see.
I think the finale's already...
Jimmy, I think we saw the finale because it was like a bunch going up at the same time.
Because they just started though at 10:30 when it started.
There they go. That's it right there. That's the finale.
Yeah, you're right.
They always have them big...
Lighting
The
of that.
finale.
Damn it.
No, it's the afterglow from the
That's finale.
Afterglow?
That looks like heat lightning. That ain't no fireworks, I'll tell you that. That's heat lightning.
What's heat lightning?
Lightning, heat.
That was it was like
Why didn't you get this one?
Because I couldn't...
Are we at the storm?
no.
Man, I need a light.
Airplane.
Oh,
I'm sorry. Oh, the ashes from one lit another?
No, I'm at 2.
Very cool. It's good though. And it died down. Yeah, that one's still on fire.
ooh.
Okay. There's a lot of things.
Look,
The
Jacob,
smoke!
back on.
Smoke!
You have one more.
Jake, you should get your DSI and record it.
You can't record on your DSI. You can't
Take
record it on your
pictures, Jacob.
Whoa!
What?
That's
What?
that one.
Red! That was not a long one.
Mom, you still have one over there. Jake, actually shine the flashlight on so she can see.
Hey. Couple number Sparkies.
There goes Sparks.
You have one over there, Mom.
Didn't you get like a spark? Oh, Miss Mary! You forgot one. Did you get a spark on your foot one time?
So, and it's gonna take like 10 parts to use.
Where were we? Did she get adventures?
We still have.
Miss Mary, the one that you forgot was... There. That red one. You forgot that red one?
I think we gotta watch. Okay, get back.
Pick up.
You already did that one.
It doesn't even matter.
What's that, retard?
I don't have to bring my camera to. I never said you did.
Hey, stop it, you two.
What?
Come on,
She what?
for the day.
She burned your finger for like
What's
12
it?
times.
Damn, that hurt.
Another card?
They won't stay lighted.
Turning!
It's coming to hunt us down to kill us.
Damn, that hurt.
There's a lot of
Back up, back up.
I saved some for you.
Don't get farther than that little guy.
See you in a bit.
Are
Where
we
are you
gonna
parked?
no farther than Wario?
Danny.
Okay, see you in a
Give me
little
the
bit.
camera. Give me the flash.
No.
Give me the flashlight. Yo, aim it on the fireworks.
Okay, you already got one. You don't need to.
Are we gonna do the two? Are we gonna do big ones?
Yeah, later.
Are we done yet?
No.
Oh my god.
Come, Mary. Come, Mary.
Yeah, Westlands are done. Luke said they're on their way already. They're actually moving, so they didn't get too close.
Mom,
Hey, can't fireworks made like big flashes in the sky?
Who wants to hold the flashlight?
I'll tell you everyone's about to start. Ready? Who got the motorcycle? Gang bangers! Oh, they're probably Tyler's friend. Tyler's dad's friend. Yeah.
Friends the
Who
sign.
wants to hold this?
actually it was Sam. It was Tyler's mom and dad on one, and then his friend and his wife on the other. Her girlfriend. Go for it, Sapphire. Suck my dick.
Yeah.